Language focus. Stressed syllables. Clap your hands when you say the stressed syllables. Fish, dish, frog, dog. A fish, a dish, a frog, a dog. A fish on a dish and a frog with a dog.
Look, listen, and say.
369, are you fine? Clap with me, we will have a good time. 618, clap again. Let's have some fun with your friends.
Say the rhyme in Activity K again.
Clap when you say the stressed syllables.